How to change your Wi-Fi password on Android device. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change your Wi-Fi password on Android device. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to our Google Chrome or browser. Then you can head over to 192.168.8.1, or it actually depends. It can be 0.0.1 or 0.1.1. It depends on your router. Then after that, just put in your username and password. So let's type in your username and password and click on login. So let's type in here, and as you can see, we have now logged in. So what we can do is to head over to the security right here. And then from in there, you can choose as SSID. So this is the passphrase. So as you can see, this is the password. So you can just change it into something that you want. So for example, I want to change it to something right here and click on submit. And that should be able to change your Wi-Fi password. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change your Wi-Fi password on an Android device. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.